In this video, we're going to calculate your profit margin. Now, this is going to be the most math-intensive video in this course, but don't worry, I think you can handle it. It's not too tough. So, it's very important that we ask ourselves, what is our true profit? And that's because if we buy a product, let's say for $5, and we sell it for $15, the natural thought is that we're making $10 profit, but as you'll see, that's not true. And that's because we have a lot of other costs that we have to factor into every time we sell a product. So first, we're going to start out with a dropshipping equation. And this is if you're dropshipping products. So all the costs that you have to consider are the cost to buy the item itself, the shipping fee that your dropshipper is charging you, any extra dropshipping fees that your dropshipper is charging you, eBay's fee, and PayPal's fee. So as you can see, all of those 5 costs are very important to factor into our total cost. And eBay's fee is 10% of your selling price. And PayPal's fee is 2.9% of the selling price, plus an additional 30 cents per transaction. Then the wholesaling equation is very similar to the dropshipping equation. The only difference here is instead of adding a dropshipping fee, we're using shipping supplies. So the 5 costs that go into your wholesaling equation are the item cost, the shipping fee, shipping supplies, the eBay fee, and the PayPal fee. Just like I mentioned earlier, eBay's fee is 10% of your final selling price, and PayPal's fee is 2.9% of your final selling price, plus an additional 30 cents per transaction. Now keep in mind that the shipping supplies is upfront, which means you must buy all the shipping supplies first, but you can spread that cost over time when you ship more products. So now let's run through an example. So let's go back to that banana holder you saw earlier. And let's say that we found the competitors on eBay are selling it for around $15. And on Alibaba, we saw that we can get a banana holder for $2 each. So let's add the item cost, which is $2. Plus an additional $4 to ship the item. And then we figured that it's going to be about $2 in shipping supplies. And that's not completely exact, but based on our costs, we can estimate that. Then 10% of $15 is $1.50. So that's our eBay fee. And then the PayPal fee is found by taking 2.9% of the $15, which is 44 cents, and then adding that extra 30 cents per transaction to get 74 cents. So this means that our total cost for selling a single banana holder is $10.24. So now with that information, we can go back to that selling price of about $15. And if we subtract our cost of $10.24 from our selling price, we'll arrive at a profit of $4.76. And that's assuming that we're not getting any returns. So our new profit margin, or our profit margin percentage, is $4.76 divided by $15, which gives us a 32% profit margin. Now, typically 30 to 50% is pretty good. Now, we might want to look for a product with a higher profit margin from 50 to 100%. But if this is the best that we can find, that's not too bad, and we can make a lot of money with that.